what's your key over the next 2 to 4 years? What am I looking for to say that you're on track to hit your long-term goals? Like what development milestone should I be looking at?
I think it's the Maromba project. Maromba project that I talked about in Brazil. It's a greenfield project, and we're already on the way there. But again, it's a project. It's $1.2 billion of investment. So hopefully that'll get us to the 90,000 barrels per day.
Oh, sorry.
And this is all organic growth. So the target does not include any M&A activity. We're always looking. We're currently looking at an opportunity in Angola. That'd be a new region for us to enter. And so we're looking forward to that.
Good. What are you finding in the marketplace right now? Oil prices are fair, I guess, relatively depressed, or sort of mid-range. Are you finding opportunities to be opportunistic in the market?
Yeah, absolutely. And not so much linked with the price of oil. I mean, 60s, mid 60s Brent is not bad. It could be better. But we are in a place strategically where a lot of majors are exiting mature fields, they're exiting regions, and we're perfectly situated to take advantage of those opportunities. For example, the Angola opportunity that I mentioned, majors are leaving, they're leaving it behind. It's not worth for them. But for us, if we dedicate our resources and some investment, we can make those very profitable.
Okay. And excuse me if you've covered this, but in the Namibia project, is that just a gas field, or do you think there's oil there as well?
So we currently sit on gas discovery. That's what Kudu has always been. But being in the neighborhood where everyone is finding good quality and a lot of oil, the well that we're drilling right now covers 3 to 4 stacks. What that means is we're trying to look for oil and gas. Again, either one is great, but of course we like liquids better.
Right. That's good. And what are sort of the downside risks? What can go wrong? As working in finance, what keeps you up at night?
Well, it's an expensive well. For a company our size. It's about $90 million per well. And if you don't file in anything, that's $90 million at risk. But that's the appetite. We feel very confident, and hence it's 100% BW Energy today with 5% Namcor, the national oil company. So we feel very confident, and we're looking forward to some good news. We'll see towards the end of the year.
Right.
It'll go one way or the other.
Yeah. And I guess sort of piggybacking on an earlier question, with your capital structure sort of with a concentrated holding, is that something that you'll look to address at some point?
I think our chairman, he has ownership in all these different entities at different levels. If I'm not mistaken, this may be his biggest shareholding, but it wasn't the case a few months ago. It was being listed on the Oslo Stock Exchange, some regulations, I can't remember the term right now, but it required him to increase it. You'll have to ask him to see if he wants to maintain that or reduce it. He's very bullish about BW Energy. He loves this story. He's super keen and excited about Namibia.
Great. Any questions from the audience?
Yeah, your reserves and production, what percentage is natural gas and what percentage is oil?
Production is all oil.
All oil?
Yes. On the reserves, the 2P reserves are primarily oil. On the resources, I'll have to get back to you. I'll have to ask someone from subsurface.
I thought I saw on here that Namibia is natural gas.
Namibia, current reserves are gas. What we're targeting and looking for is both oil and gas.
And are your ships under, well, you own several of them, but once they're under lease, are they on long-term charter or are they on day rates?
Very good question. It's a mix of both. It's a mix of both. Like Adolo lease is, we don't own it. It's a bareboat charter. Plus it used to be O&M, operations and maintenance, by BW Offshore. We took over the O&M this year. The wellhead platform, the Valaris one that I mentioned, is going to be a lease from Minsheng. So we're working on that. The one in Golfinho in Brazil, we own straight out. So it's a good mix. Yes.
So what's your source to developing you talked about the Angola field, that you're much more efficient compared to the previous, like Chevrons. So what's
it's a combination. A lot of super majors, they look for big developments. And, it's like they develop something new, something big. Once they're done with it, they have different appetite than us. They leave, someone else comes in and continues to get the juice out of those fields. Low cost. Of course, these are huge companies that have a lot of overhead. Their way of doing things is very different.
Sorry about that, but I noticed in Gabon that that the Gabonese or Gabon oil company owns 17.5%. Politics in Gabon has been fairly precarious recently. So do you have anything that you want to assuage people's concerns about your ability to continue in Gabon and also the potential for takeout?
Sure. So, Gabon oil companies in the Dussafu license has 9% working interest as a partner. And we have had no issues while working in Gabon. We've been there since 2017. Even with the recent change in the political arena, no change, no hiccups, no issues. So we have nothing but positive things to say about Gabon. I've personally lived there, and I enjoy going there, enjoy working with the government, and they're very supportive.